Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Kershaw. I'm a PhD student at the University of Central Lancashire and welcome to my research plan poster. Here I present a pilot experiment building on the findings that comprehensible sentences, i.e. those in a language a participant understands, disrupt short-term memory performance more than incomprehensible sentences, those in a foreign language, by using pseudo-word or Jabberwocky sentences as new experimental stimuli. In addition, I also present a research plan to build on the findings of this pilot study. In previous studies, specific salient features of auditory stimuli have been shown to disrupt performance on serial recall tasks by capturing attention. As mentioned prior, this disruption occurs for comprehensible sentences, but not for incomprehensible sentences, suggesting that the familiar syntax or semantic content of these comprehensible sentences contributes to the attentional capture that they produce. To investigate this further, we performed a pilot study in which participants were presented a serial recall task. Here, they attempted to recall lists of digits in the order that they were shown, whilst distractors were played concurrently. Our experiment had three types of distractors presented to the participants: a silent control, comprehensible English sentences, and pseudo-word or Jabberwocky sentences. Now, these Jabberwocky sentences were created by replacing each content word in an English sentence with a pseudo-word, matching these pseudo-words with the content words on number of syllables, length, and various other aspects. We hypothesized that replacing the content words would diminish the Jabberwocky sentences' semantic content, reducing the disruption to serial recall performance they caused compared to comprehensible English sentences. However, our results showed this not to be the case. Rather, the Jabberwocky sentences disrupted performance significantly more than English sentences. This suggests that there may be more to the disruption caused by Jabberwocky sentences than we first thought. A potential explanation could be that the English function words in the Jabberwocky sentences we used, which weren't replaced with pseudo-words, contributed English syntactic content to the sentences, which was eventually integrated with the non-English semantic content in sentence reprocessing, causing a system violation that captured attention and disrupted performance. Therefore, we present a research plan aiming to replicate the Jabberwocky effect and to test this system violation hypothesis. To do this, we will replicate the pilot study, albeit with two additional controls. The first is to create a new condition with Jabberwocky sentences that have both the function words and content words replaced with pseudo-words. And the second is include an incomprehensible foreign language condition to compare with. If our system violation hypothesis is correct, we should see that these fully Jabberwocky sentences disrupt performance significantly less than partial Jabberwocky sentences due to diminished semantic and syntactic content. And if this is the case, their disruption should be comparable to the incomprehensible foreign language sentences.